Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I want to share with you one of the most beautiful and colorful traditions most of the Ecuador, the Guaranda Carnival. This incredible festival is celebrated in the province of Bolívar. In the heart of Andes Mountains, it's very popular because the Willow City celebrate with my incredible energy and music. This is a picture of the beautiful city of Guaranda. The festival is celebrated every between February and March. During these days you can see people playing in the streets with water, flowers and fun. It's so much fun, but it's not just about playing. Food is a fundamental part of the experience. You can eat delicious fritada, tamales, and quimbolitos. Also, the locals always offer a drink called Pájaro Azul. Blue Brand, a very famous traditional liquor from this region. Image of the Pájaro Azul. One one of my favorite things is prepare you cantata carnaval. Leading the parade while people dance in beautiful costumes, tradition, music. The atmosphere is full of joy and history. It's a time when everyone feels like family. Conclusion: the Guaranda Carnival is a unique experience that represents the soul of Ecuador. If you haven't been yet, you have to go. I recommend you visit it in Bolivar. Experience is of yourself. It will definitely be back next year. Thanks for watching.